The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, there is a school ebiza u-430,000 a year just ukufunda khona. Asiqale. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is not iskole. This is not a school. This is an institution. Have you ever asked yourself ukuthi zifundaphi ingane zama-millionaires nama-billionaires ala eSouth Africa? Zifundaphi ingane zama-minister, ingane zama-president, zifundaphi? This is Hilton College. Yo, and understand. Yes, and understand. Grade 6, usafika, so you get introduced. Grade 7, you start being inducted, manje usuqala ukwazi abantu. Grade 8, you start to explore what you like and what you don't like because all the facilities are there. Grade 9, you start to understand yourself, ukuthi uthanda maphi ama-instrument, uthanda maphi ama-groups. Grade 10, you get to express yourself. Wenza ama-shows, you get to travel the country, the world. Grade 11, you get to focus on your education and find yourself. Grade 12, you get released. Usuvele, usufunde all the necessary skills you need. Omunye umuntu uzothi hayi ingane yami ifunda e-public school, ingane yami ifunda e-private school, iyafana nje i-education system yase-South Africa. Ayifani. Asiqale nje ngokuthi nje ama-subjects, they are not the same. Understand ukuthi ingane yase-Hilton College ifunda i-English, i-Afrikaans, i-French, isiZulu, and if they want, they can add i-German. Understand ukuthi they get to choose if they want to learn mathematics or maths literacy, but they have to ukuthi kube khona ne-foundation mathematics. Yini foundation mathematics? Angiyazi. This is where it gets complicated. Understand ukuthi ingane ifunda kulesa skole, they have i-advanced program in-English, i-advanced program in-mathematics. They also have i-accounting ne-computer application technology, but i-computer application technology eyey'ngane ey'the azifuni i-first additional language, zifuna ukufunda wonke ama-languages ziqede ziphiwe ne-computer application technology. Understand futhi ukuthi they have i-dramatic arts, they have economics, they have engineering, graphics and design as a subject. They have geography. No, musa ukukhathala asikaqedi uwena othe hayi i-education system iyafana. No, there are more subjects abayifundayo. Let's continue. We have history, we have information technology, we have life orientation, we have life science, we have music, we have physical science, we have AP science, which is, if anyone knows what's in AP science, angiyazi. We also have visual arts. There is a huge gap between public school, private school, enu ne Hilton College. Understand ukuthi le skole does not appear on the newspaper. Ukuthi kanjani lezi zinto za-matric abaveli lapha. You are not allowed to know mntomnyama about le skole because the skole is for the elites. Yes, understand ukuthi uma ingane yakho ifunde la, you are assured a space kwi-university. They have a global university acceptance. Understand ukuthi you get to choose ukuthi ufuna ingane yakho ifunde in which one of these schools. Whether uthanda ila eSouth Africa, ufuna ifunde e-University of Cape Town, Stellenbosch, Wits, Rhodes, and all this other nonsense. Or wena ufuna ingane yakho iyofunde Harvard, wena ufuna ingane yakho iyofunde Stanford, they have a global university acceptance. Izongena ingane yakho. And understand. Honestly, this is the greatest school in South Africa, guys. And into ebhedayo is the fact ukuthi they do not want us to find out ngale skole. I-location yale skole lesi uyazi the time ingane yakho isi-acceptiwe ukuyofunda khona. Abavele ephepheni lezi zinto za-matric. Makiwa ku-school trip la khulunywe ngendaba ukuthi kiwe Asia, kiwe Europe, kiwe Australia, kiwe America. There is nothing wrong ngale skole ukuthi si broke. Let's take a walk through building amancane awakhona. Number 1, this is Church Hill House. This is Ellis House. Nkosi yami, Ellis House. This is Falcon. Falcon. This is Lucas. Oh, Lucas. This beautiful thing is Mackenzie. Mackenzie's. Angazi kodwa yinhle. This is Inonham. Inonham. Last but not least, this is Ipiercer. Ipiercer House. Ipiercer. Hilton College, they don't just focus on books. They also have extracurriculum activities. Understand ukuthi they have athletics, basketball, canoeing, they have cricket, golf, rowing, they have squash, they have swimming, swimming. They have tennis, they have water polo. Yini water polo? Kodwa Nkosi ukuhlupheka. Yini water polo manje? Ngeke understand ukuthi kulesa sikole there are certain sports ingane yakho is not allowed to refuse, kumele bazenze. Understand ukuthi they have canoeing ekumele bayenze, they have estate. Yini manje estate? Yazi they have golfing, they have rowing, they have squash, they have tennis. Whilst ingane yakho esikoleni sayo ibhizi ifundwa incwadi ifidwa theory, Hilton College ingane zifundiswa swimming, not ukubhukuda, swimming. They have opera, guys. Ingane zalapha get to participate in an opera, babe nama-gig where they go perform, not just in South Africa, but overseas. Yes, they gain exposure via opera. Yini-ke manje le? Isiginci senduku, guys. Isiginci senduku. Isiginci senduku, guys. Esikoleni sasingenazo izinkinci zenduku. Yes. Buka mfethu sibambile mfethu isiginci sakhe senduku, guys. Isiginci senduku. Yo.